Garmin Zumo 350LM or Garmin Zumo 350LM is the same screen. All you need to do to complete this repair or to change the screen is a T5 Torx Screw Driver. Is a very simple repair to do. Just remove all the screws from the back first of all. You can replace just the touch screen in case you have a problem just with the touch screen, but for that you'll need a soldering iron. If not, you can purchase a complete screen, and that will be very easy to do. Okay. After you remove all the screws, gently lift up from the top to separate it. Don't pull too hard so you don't damage the screen. Slide it out gently on the back. And now what you need to do is to release the LCD screen. To do that, you just need to lift this flap, and after the screen will slide out from the connector. So it's not difficult to take them apart. Now just switch them on the back. Same screwdriver, remove these screws. So you'll have 6 screws that are the same color, and you have 2 more on the bottom part which they are different. It's good to have them in the same place, so remember to put these 2 separate for the moment. Now you can take it off from the frame, so as you see it's not very difficult to do that. This is the water seal, so place it back. Be sure that it's sitting properly back on the frame. If it's not sitting properly, water may go inside of your device. Now what you need to do is to take the shield off from the back of the screen from one side. Remove the shield and it will come off very easily. Now, as you can see on these devices, there are several different types of screens. I know this one is compatible with this one, so it's still an original screen, but it's a different version. Don't worry about that. This I know for sure is working properly. So now with this bottom part, start fitting the back plate. Be careful on this so you don't damage the light ribbon. And when you see that it's properly back, place it back on the frame. Check on the opposite side so stays nice and okay, and you can place back the screws. Start doing this on the corners first of all, and after I check it one more time just to be sure that it is sitting properly on the frame, and the seal is not coming out on this side, so the screen must stay properly. Okay, let's put back all the screws. Don't forget about the two small black screws that they go on the bottom, the one we put them separate. Okay, so these two, they go here. Okay. In case you want to replace the battery, as you can see, it's very easily to reach. This is the connector for the battery. Just disconnect it, pull it out, and if you have a new battery, you can replace it in case you need it. Now, to connect back the screen, I always put a finger on the back of the ribbon, and you need to slide it in the connector. Be sure that you slide it deep enough in the connector and close the flap over the LCD ribbon flex. Now align it back on the case, and you can put all the screws back. It's not a difficult repair to do. Screens that are available on eBay. We will add a link in the description as well. But in case you're not confident that you can do this repair, you can always write us a message, or you can contact us. We will have a website in the description of where you can send the device in for a complete repair. And if you send it to us, we will check everything: screen, signal, battery, charging. So we will test all this for you. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Thanks for watching.